Somebody told me that my 30-minute long in-depth Samsung vented all-in-one laundry combo unit video was too long, so we're gonna fix that today. Also, Samsung sent me this last year as part of a promotional video that I did. They're not the sponsor of this video. Got it? Good. Lint filter new. It's scrub when you pull it out. Laundry detergent down here. Laundry detergent. Fabric softener. Can use for laundry detergent also, or flex detergent. Lasts 4 to 6 weeks. If too low to ground, buy pedestal. Link below. Normal wash, about 2 hours. Steam wash, about 5 hours. Put dirty clothes in, come out clean and dry. All in one. Only need one unit. They wash and dry. Vented unit, 240 volt. Ventless unit, 120 volt. Unit bigger than standard washer dryer. See? Bigger. Stainless steel drum. Also, it has tempered glass. Should run product care cycle once a month. Also has super speed cycle that's supposed to wash a 10-pound load of laundry that's 50% cotton, 50% polyester in around 68 minutes. It has a vent like a standard dryer. Yes, you can use pods. They go in here. You can use fabric sheets. You must use dryer prep function or wash only, throw them in and then dry separately. Link to products down below. They have many different cycles and app on your phone you can use to control remotely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all. Thanks. Have a good day.